Do you want to know how to make a lead magnet on your Wix? Here's the step-by-step process on how to do it. So first, you need to access your Wix account by simply opening your web browser and search for the wix.com. And once you select a project, you will redirect to your edit project and you will see this button, which is the add elements represented by the plus icon. You just have to click on that, and under that you will see a bunch of options, but we will going to hover on the button. And for example, I wanted to create a lead magnet on an icon button, which is right here, and just simply select which button or icon that you wanted to add. For example, this one. And resize the icon based on your preference. After that, you were going to right-click it and click for the link. Make sure that it toggles on the web address and paste your web address URL on the text field. And make sure that it is already toggled on the new window when it opens. And after finalizing it, click the Done button.